Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter Reese's cups using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, half a cup of powdered sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You'll also need 12 ounces of chocolate chips and 2 tablespoons of butter. Make sure to have mini cupcake liners ready in a muffin tin for simple preparation. Now let's create that delicious peanut butter filling. In a medium bowl, combine your 1 cup of peanut butter, half a cup of powdered sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until they form a cohesive dough. Once combined, roll the mixture into small 1-inch balls and then gently flatten them into discs. These will be the centers of your cups. Next, it's time for the chocolate. Melt your 12 ounces of chocolate chips with 2 tablespoons of butter in a microwave-safe bowl, stirring every 30 seconds until smooth. Spoon a small amount of this melted chocolate into the bottom of each mini cupcake liner. Carefully place one of your flattened peanut butter discs on top, then cover it with another spoonful of melted chocolate, ensuring the disc is fully coated. Almost there. Once all your cups are assembled, place the muffin tin into the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows the chocolate to set perfectly, giving you that satisfying snap. When they are firm, carefully peel away the cupcake liners, and your homemade peanut butter cups are ready to enjoy. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.